Welcome, today I'll show you how to customize your quick launch into a TCL 30. First of all, open settings, then scroll down and go into buttons and gestures option. Here choose power key option, and now I've got quick launch camera option. Activate this option if you got this position like blue on the switcher, this option is activate, and like gray it's turn off. And another option is power key menu. Go into this option and here we customize your power key menu. For example, I wanna add to some apps. Go into this option, app shortcuts, and add some application. For example, Google Chrome and one more, maybe Facebook. Okay, and go back. Now press and hold and drag to top this option, and let's try. Press and hold power key, and here we got our app shortcuts and add payment method and power off menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.